Hey everyone, it's Zai, and I'm here to share my T levels with you. So I am 3.5 months on T, and the last 5 weeks I've been on a full dose. The first 9 weeks I was on a half a dose. So right now I'm on 0.5 cc, which is 0.5 milliliters of T every week subcutaneously. Hey everyone, it's Zai, and I'm here to share my blood results, my testosterone results with you. Mine on a half dose of T is at 204. I get blood tests done 3 days after my shot in both instances. My other video for the low dose T levels, it was 3 days after. For this one, it was 3 days after my shot too. So yeah, I've been on full dose for 5 weeks, and my T levels I'm pretty happy with, actually. I expected them to be like lower. I didn't want them to be lower, but I expected it. I was guessing they'd be around like 400, and I was like, God, I don't want it that low. Turned out it is 692, which I'm happy with. And free testosterone is 156.2. I keep trying to figure out what is a normal free testosterone level or ratio, and I can't find it anywhere on the internet. So if anybody knows, please let me know. Anyways, but overall testosterone is 692, and I'm pretty happy with that. So that's 5 weeks on full dose. And this is what I look like. I'm getting a lot more like hair here. I'm shaving it off right here though, and it's just like straight stubbly, y'all. So I am getting some facial hair, and this is getting much longer, and my mustache, and these too, but I shaved them off. But yeah, so those are my levels currently on full dose of T for 5 weeks. And yeah, if you have any questions, drop them below. I'm an open book, so thank you for watching. Peace, y'all rock, and I need an app.